Time to address some stocks and news as well on that note. Megha and Yatin here as always. Megha, you go first.
Well, actually, a very good morning there, and look out for Reliance Industries. We were discussing the stock yesterday, and the output from the KG basin had fallen for the counter. And now what we are gathering from the newspapers is that the government has given Reliance Industries not to drill a new well in the D6 basin there. The company, remember, has been waiting from the last 3 years for this acceptance to come in from the government, and then they will start drilling the well immediately. So this is an important and a big development for Reliance Industries. There we might see a bit of positive reaction coming on the counter. If you look at the stock, it's it has gained close to 13% on a YTD basis, trading below that 20-day moving average. Also look out for the entire OMC pack, and the petrol prices have been cut by 95 paisa per litre effective midnight yesterday, and this essentially comes on back of the fact that the global crude prices have softened. Remember last month the Brent was trading close to 110 kind of levels, and now we are seeing a levels of 106, 107 coming in for Brent there. So a bit of let's see how the stocks really react to this one. It's not a very sharp cut that's come in, but a cut any which ways.
Let's go to Yatin, the man who broke the United Spirits deal 1 month in advance. Yatin, what are you planning to break today?
Well, Nikhil, nothing to break, but stocks and news for you. First, coming to Zee Entertainment Enterprises, and a big, development coming in here. The company will receive a compensation of nearly 120 crores from the Board of Cricket Control in India, which is BCCI. Do remember we had the BCCI, which had scrapped Zee Entertainment's 5-year contract arbitrarily, and because of that particular thing, Zee Entertainment had moved to various court asking for compensation because of the termination of the 5-year contract, which involved broadcasting cricket matches played by India in the overseas cricket ground. So a big positive coming in for Zee Entertainment Enterprises. 120 crores is the kind of compensation that they receive. Do remember their sports business is reeling under losses, and this could possibly provide some benefit as far as the losses are concerned. However, Zee Entertainment Enterprises had asked for a compensation of 500-600 crores, but they have received 120 crores by the arbitrage bench. Coming then to Sintex Industries, and after raising funds from the promoter preferential issue and the QIP, they are planning to raise $150 million via FCCBs, which will be possibly due in 2017. Do remember the company has bonds or FCCBs redeemable in 2013 of March to the extent of $250 million. So in order to refinance these FCCBs, the company has been raising QIPs and other routes of funds, and this is one of them. So some bit of positive coming in for Sintex Industries on the fundraising front. Let's see how both of these stocks react in today's trading session.